Hey, good morning. Trying to make the writing bigger, the chat. I can't do it. Zoom. Oh, yeah, I can. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Marianne, Natsa, Claudio, good morning. Maurice, Mati, good morning. Lucas, Tom, Mr. Mario, Sebastian, Lampros, good morning. Maris Natsa, Hugo, good morning. Uh, Anolu Wapo, good morning. Jaroslav, good morning. Milan, good morning. Ayayok, Natsa, morning, guys. Um, Sunday morning, let's have a coffee together. Jose, good morning, watching from Scotland. Morning, guys. Grab a coffee. Tom, hello from Florida. Good morning. Maria, Natsa, Sylvia, good morning. Tom Gravity, good morning. Haven't been to bed yet? Ha! The time changed in this morning. So basically, you have 1 hour more for sleep. Turi, good morning. Razvan, salud. Morning, guys. How is everyone, huh? Kole, good morning. Pizza time? Nah, it's kind of like a coffee time right now. Coffee. Coffee is good. So, how is everyone? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, Mati. I'm okay for the moment. Morning, guys. I'm brewing a coffee now. That's good. How can I replace the RAM slot on a PC motherboard? On a PC motherboard. Hmm? I mean, I suppose you can take the slot out because it's faulty anyway. You can take it out with hot air with 480 degrees. Then, in order to solder back, you have to lower the melting temperature of the solder. So, if you use like 140 degrees soldering paste, you should be able to solder back. Logic, good morning. Pablo, good morning. Greetings from Belgium. Good morning. Morning, good morning. I did a PCIe slot that was a bit easier. I never replace on a normal on a PC motherboard these kind of slots. JFix, good morning. Octavian Natsa. It's quite difficult to make the holes back. You don't make the holes. No, you don't make them. You have low melting solder. You can just heat up and yeah, the plastic together with the pins. So you don't have to make the holes. You can actually heat up from the other side of the motherboard. Darko, good morning. Morning from Finland. Having breakfast here and coffee, of course. Bogdan Natsa. Wabao. Revolving the processor laptop. Not sure what the revolving means. What about making videos with not only laptop repair? Lucas, I don't get different kind of jobs. I mean, the TV definitely is not worth to be sent by post. Then, what kind of other device? I stopped fixing MacBooks. Which is the best BIOS reader? You know what, Pablo? I have a memory interface to review from Temu. I have to do a Temu review. Let me test that one because that one is proper cheap. I want to see how it's working. But with what I'm working is the Revel Pro, which I found it good. I have a lot of problems to change a CPU soldering. Oh, I can bet. I can bet. I use CH341. Yeah, that's. I found that like compatibility wise, being better compared to 11 or Revel Pro. The problem is very slow. Why you need 2.2? I can't tell you why. I can't. I wish I can tell you why, but I have no idea why. And it's not because of the current. The people said on the chat, yeah, because you program the chip on the board and it current, but you can see the current is like 20 milliamps to 30 milliamps. You cannot have drop of voltage with that kind of current. So it's hard to say why. Have you seen Bach coil tester? Who will buy a tester for coils? Who do you think it will buy a tester for coils? No one it will buy something like that. To test a coil? How many shorted coils did you find? I found 0 on a lifetime. Before the coil getting burned, you'll have the chip getting burned. But you will not find burned coils. No. And even if you find burned coils, actually that power supply is still working, but it's not supplying enough current. What do you think about Windows 12? You know what? I seen some bad stuff online, and I cannot just not talk about it. I think it's not a coil tester. It's showing if the power supply is working. JFix, what about the multimeter? What's going on? Why you will buy a power supply tester? You cannot check with a multimeter. Come on, JFix. Don't tell me you bought like a power supply tester. Okay, I'm gonna search. Yeah? Let's search together. Let's search together. New window. Wait, one second. What is this? But what is doing? Coil tester inductor detector tool. I mean, here are so many words, I can't even. Coil tester with electromagnetic induction. You know what? The people they were saying like I'm like wasting money. I mean, there is no way something like that it will be 61 sold. That's crazy. People are crazy. People are crazy. 61 sold. I need your phone number. I bet you need my phone number. That's the reason why I'm not giving away my phone number to anyone, not even to my customers. Imagine sharing my phone number. Like everyone call me, I have this, I have this, I have this, so I'm doing nothing. Speaking over the phone all day. George and Nata. Razvan, yeah, but that can be checked with a multimeter. What's wrong with the multimeter? You cannot check with the multimeter if you have continuity or not. What about the Microsoft? You know Britec? You know the Britec channel? Let me find it. It's a sad story, and Yobobus, thank you very much. Thank you for the donation. Thank you. Let me find Britec channel. It's proper sad. So he was here like few times on the chat, and he posted a video. This is the end of my YouTube channel. He just got a strike for a video where he was showing installing Windows on an old PC. We in Windows 11, I think. And he the strike was not copyright strike. It was a strike for a video being dangerous and what was the name? I don't remember. Dangerous and something. So the things are changing. The YouTube is changing. I mean, how long it will be till the AI, YouTube AI, it will decide my videos, like dodgy videos, are actually dangerous. So yeah, it's proper sad. Proper sad. Ken, there is no you on YouTube. I mean, how you can get a strike for installing Windows? So we can't talk about it. Yeah, we can talk about it, but I think the period of me uploading dodgy videos is about to end. Why don't you rebel? To rebel is supposed to have chips. We don't have chips. Yeah, Intel, Nvidia, AMD, they are not selling chips. And the other chips, which are obviously smaller, you don't need reball. You can solder without reball. Jerry, good morning. I think the world is changing actually. Even UK, I have some very, very bad news. I see a lot of video from the next year. It is possible to be VAT from like 30K. Yeah, now it's like 100K to change to VAT. Next year it will be from 30K 30. And I cannot afford that loss. No, and I cannot push it to the customer. Yeah. The thing is, in life, you have to do what you have to do. And just because the things are changing, that doesn't mean I'm not doing what I have to do. So in order to support my daughter with her flying school, it is very probable or very possible to switch back to Romania. But of course, we are moving forward. The videos, it will be on the same way. Yeah. And the other thing is I'm getting proper stress because the HMRC can check everything now, and it's not about me not reporting. It's about me missing something. If I miss something and I get some, I get myself investigated, then that it will end up with a penalty fee. Again, I'm getting stress from everywhere. From YouTube, from real life, from everywhere. So yeah, no dodgy videos. At least no dodgy videos for public. So that's what is changing. Dodgy, yeah, I'm dodgy. Not the manufacturer actually not sharing anything about their products. And yeah, that's fine for them. Yeah, they are not dodgy. It's on the same way I'm selling a bottle with something and I say, look, this is good, but I'm not gonna tell you what is on the bottle. Same thing with the laptops. They are selling laptops with no schematic. Yeah. Yeah, definitely the world is changing. Give me your WhatsApp number, please. You must be joking, right? The biggest problem is people, they don't try to find. I want a BIOS. I have a problem with my motherboard. I want to fix it and I need advice. They don't try to use the forum. They don't try to use the Discord. They don't try to use the Google. They are coming straight to me. So they email me, they text me on Discord, and they want from me a solution. Actually, not from the rest of the community. We are like over 20K people on Discord, and there are people better than me on as such. Like I'm doing everything, but there are people like they are focused on, let's say, BIOS and software. They are focused on GPUs. They are focused on something else. So that's the difference between me and other people. I'm good all around, but there are people focused on one thing and they are better than me. What is the situation in Romania now for living? Any East European country, you'll have a better life compared with UK when you are repairing stuff. Yeah, because the things are expensive there. So if the things are expensive there, the people are repairing the things. Yeah, repairing the things means you are making money as a repair guy. So from the repair point of view, it's a lot better on East European countries compared with West European. So definitely I will have more work to do. That will not be a problem. Of course, the price I can charge you to be lower, but the life also it's cheaper there. This is another question. Can you teach me online and I will pay you? We have over 1,400 videos on YouTube. What's wrong with the videos? Have you seen the old videos and you still don't know electronics? I mean, I don't want to sound rude, but just use the resource, the free resources you have. They are free. It's free. You don't have to pay. Everything is free. All you need is time, just sit there having a coffee, watching videos, and yeah. When the last time you went? Probably like 8 years ago, 8 or 9 years, something like that. Still looking bad. Don't get me wrong. I spoke with Anne and I said, even if we are going back, we are not driving. Yeah, no driving. Um, that's insane. I can't drive again there. No. But yeah, probably I'll pick up a nice town and make a living there. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Some people don't have time, then you'll never learn. You'll never learn. Yeah, that's the point I trying to make with courses. Courses, you pay a lot of money for a course. You do the course, you learn nothing because you don't have time. If you don't have time, don't do it. You'll have time when actually you fall in love with something. You fall in love with something, you will have time. You will make time. Yeah. So if you don't have time, that means you are not made for something like that. I have a question. The EU chip on a BGA also need to be programmed, and how to do it. I do have few videos about programming EC chips, but each chip is different. There are chips I can't program. There are chips I don't even know if they have to be programmed or not. Eastern Europe is more beautiful than UK. Depends what beautiful means for you. For me, beautiful means I'm driving only on the motorways. My daughter, she's doing like 150 miles, like an hour and an hour and a half. No, 75 up, 75 down to the uni. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes, and 1 hour and 20 minutes back. So beautiful for me. That's what it is. You know, getting from the point A to point B in a short period of time. Safe. If you are a guy which loves nature and stuff like that, then Romania it's a nice place. You have a Carpathian mountain there. When I was on the childhood, I was using to go on the mountain. Yeah, from this point of view, it is nice. Have you changed time? I don't have on what to change time because everything is changed automatically, like the computer, the phone. Yeah. Bulgaria? Yeah, I've been there. It's nice. I've been there. Bulgaria, Greece. Yeah, I visited those countries. No Serbia. I haven't been there. But I watch, the nature on Serbia on that guy which is cooking, the Serbian guy which is cooking. How is called? I'm subscribed to that channel. 1 second. Because he's always cooking on nature. Almazan Kitchen. Yeah, that's the name. Why did he choose UK? Because of the language. Because of the language, obviously. Yeah, that's the one, Osiki. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. So, we are speaking about what? I was looking to show you something. I don't remember what. I have a short memory. Hey, Leo, thank you very much. Thank you for your donation. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice from you. Reparacji iPhone, Naca. Got myself a mechanic microscope and OK camera because of you. I mean, not because of me, because it's a good camera. We compare with my other one. I decided to keep my old one because I know it's working. Yeah. I've rushed to Naca. It's a good one, yeah, it is, Mogor. YouTube doesn't like videos about Rufus and Windows 11, really? I felt bad for Britek. I feel bad. Me remember when I had my problems with YouTube. Yeah. So yeah. Stidno. Studio. Hey Sorin, I managed to fix my first laptop last week. Cold dead. I did it with a proper calibrated wire. Yeah. Yeah, definitely it's a Romanian Russian things, you know. Yeah. When I was like young and you know, in that period of time, you know, the term of replacing a part or use part with a new one doesn't exist. So you have to fix it somehow. Kehal Studio, yeah, okay. You are moving, not at the moment, no. Sorry, and I have two different power supplies. It is safe to connect them with wires to get more amps. I mean, you can do it, Jerry, but for what do you need more amps? That's the question. Maybe 5 amps should be enough for anything. If you need more amps, just use the charger. Maybe our community should step up and support Britek. How, Silvio? It's no one you can speak. He can't speak with anyone. I seen his video. He said he can't speak with anyone. Everything is AI. So if you cannot speak with a real person to explain the problem, or at least understand what you did wrong, then how we can help him? It's YouTube. You know, it's big. You can't really do anything. You know, just obey and yeah. I can't hear the music in the background. Oh, that music is not for me, laptop fix. It's for Diana. She's using music when she's playing. Yes, I did see that video, Yo Bubus. I seen that video. We spoke last live stream about that video. Yeah, I know. How to choose a thermal camera for repairing? You just pick a cheap one, you know what I mean? Now they're getting cheaper. Probably the resolution. Yeah. Depends what sensor you have there. Probably I will focus on the sensor, what is on the camera. Have you ever considered working on different electronics? You're joking, right? Fixing GPUs or fixing MacBooks. I will die. How can I have more profits? Lemon man, to go on a direction like fixing GPUs for, like you said, bigger profits. I need freaking like over 5 6 years to advertise my business in order to have like few jobs. So there is no way I will make any money or fixing MacBooks. Yeah, I need like years to build up a customer base to have jobs. That's the reason why I'm fixing like anything. That's actually a very bad idea if you don't have a customer base. But of course, you don't have. But let's say if you are not willing to spend few years in building that customer base. I have many services. You see, exactly. That's easy. That's something easy to do. I have what you said: phone repairs, computers, game consoles, CCTV installation, networking. If you see, this is a good start. You can add their TVs. Yeah, TV repairs are easy. You can add buying and selling laptops. Yeah, that's a good starting recipe. Vasile, are you still vaping? Yeah, I'm doing it. If MOSFET is not conducting the voltage, there is normally problem in not conducting voltage. Not sure what do you mean. It's a switch. You need gate voltage and should work. If it's not working, then you don't have gate voltage. Moradi, good morning. So you can't really check a MOSFET. But if it's on the board and you have gate voltage, then should work. So probably your problem is you don't have the right gate voltage. I started vaping 5 years ago. Moradi, I started vaping and I stopped smoking for a while. Then I start smoking again, and now I'm vaping and I'm smoking, which is even worse. So I'm smoking like one packet every day, at least one packet of cigarettes, real cigarettes plus vape. Can you tell me how to identify CPU and PCH shorts with the multimeter? You check with the multimeter, coils to ground. Vaping, smoking, and eating pizza. The pizza, it's things to say. I'm not really eating pizza. I mean, I have better food. Diana, she's cooking like, home cooking. And I have pizza very rare. But I'm using pizza to compare the price of the job so that people can have an idea from different countries. How can happen a spark with a multimeter? Multimeter is not making sparks. If you switch the multimeter to the current mode, yeah, that definitely it will do sparks, but you cannot burn that power supply. Even with the multimeter, you'll have your probes in fire because you have their dozen of amps. So you cannot burn that power supply on any way or form with the multimeter. Any good cheap multimeter? I mean, all the multimeters are good on these days. So when you buy a multimeter, you look for the speed to be fast. But otherwise, they all are doing the same job. Yeah, I know. I've been there, so I know how it is. Programming PD controllers. Yeah. I know. That's the world we're living in right now. What you can do is buy boards, faulty boards, and you are hoping the PD controller is still good. Gabriel Nanza. I quit smoking and start vaping. Um, I'm about there. I'm like on my vape. I'm on the 3 milligrams of nicotine. So which is the lowest I can have on this 3 milligrams. But yeah, we all have our own vices. Are you transferring to Linux? I can't do it because of the compatibility. We have a lot of softwares for Windows. If I would be to do only browsing, definitely I will stick with Linux. Which flavor? Havana tobacco. Yeah, I know. Probably, yeah. I don't know. I never try. No, I don't know. But Mati probably agree with you. I hope one day you'll take it out completely. Are many service centers in your area? No, really. It's a small town here. Um, no, I don't have. Here are not many shops, repair shops. It's a small town, the town I live in. Yeah, I understand. Definitely understand. Have you tried Zorin OS? No, I'm not sure what it is. Is there a need to buy? I mean, Brian, I don't know. You can stick with the 5 amps one. You will feel you will need 10 amps sometimes, but definitely the 5 amps one it will do the job. How can I find out if a AC chip is programmable or not? Costal probably checking on Google. If you check, you write the chip name and you write programming, and you'll see if there is anything about that chip. Mati definitely agrees. You're a funny guy, Mati. Free operating system on Google. Free means not compatible with the other stuff. Do you use Linux? No, I can't do it. I am good with Linux networking, Debian, but not with like graphics and desktop and stuff. Anyway, I was good. Not now. Nemanja, good morning. Right next time. Okay. I'm also have Debian. You know what? I really love Debian compared with any other Linux OS. But I never install a graphic interface. So always from the command line. I have when I had my networks, I have the network server, which I made it. I have a friend who helped me from the guy from where I learned Linux, and it was a unique experience to manage like a network server with Linux. Do you think the repair industry is dying? I mean, how the repair industry can die? I know this is the most this is the opinion of some people, some big people, but we are speaking about top of technology, electronics. Yeah, everything is electronics on these days, and everything what it's electronics has to be repaired. Um, Many times I compare, with the power of buying here in UK. Like the people, they will not fix it, they will buy it. But there are expensive laptops, like gaming laptops, like all kind of stuff. That kind of laptops will always be repaired. Can you explain the CPU power up system by PCH before power button press? I never fix laptops thinking on the S4 or S3 state, because the laptop is on or off. I don't care if it's on standby. I'm not fixing laptops being on standby. So you have to fix laptop assuming the laptop is off. That's how you fix it, right? Simple faults, simple failures. That's what we are fixing now, Silvio. You are telling me you are fixing digital faults? I don't know anyone in this world, on this planet, who can fix digital faults, not even the manufacturer. So we are already doing this. That's what we are fixing on the laptops. What optical microscope do you recommend? I'm using the ARM scope. When I bought it like 3 years ago, was the cheapest one. How do I tell if it's an N channel or P channel MOSFETs on a laptop motherboard? Peter, Google. Yeah, you type the model of the MOSFET and you write MOSFET and Google, press enter, and you see channel N or channel P. Usually, if you have like a odd number at the end, it's channel N. Sorry, in your new mechanic camera, can I use it with just optical zoom? Probably you can, but I don't know how, Ivan. You need different adapters, I don't know. Good morning. I spent 30 minutes trying to find the fault. Afterwards, found a burnt cap. Yeah, that's a pizza. Burnt cap is a pizza. Silvio, I'm waiting for you, Silvio. Do you know anyone which is fixing digital related faults? Because, social media is it's insane. I have customers, they are coming with different stories and I'm telling them, don't watch YouTube. Don't believe all what you see on YouTube. Don't believe all what you see on YouTube. I have a bunch of customers, they are coming to me to upgrade the RAM memory. You can believe that? And phones to upgrade the flash memory. Like, I'm telling them, just stop watching YouTube. I know what you're saying, but even now, nothing it will change, Silvio. Always you'll have digital, you'll have power supplies. And actually, things which are getting current, it will get faulty, like power supplies. So will always be there something to repair. I do memory upgrades. Yeah, there, but not here. I seen people are doing it, but not here, not in UK. I believe you're doing, but not here. If you are doing memory upgrades, good for you, but you are taking a high risk. I can't take that risk. Probably you are young. I'm not even fixing MacBooks because I can't see the screws. So I stopped fixing MacBooks totally. Yeah. So I can't. I can't take. I'm not taking any MacBook job. GPU shows 0.2 ohms when measured. No, probably is good. No, I'm really sorry. I'm not a football fan. So um, I repair. I upgraded iPhone Pro storage. Phone repair. You are, there are few people that are doing this kind of stuff. Definitely, people like you deserve more recognition. So my advice is uh, film it and upload the content to YouTube. That's my advice for anyone doing this kind of jobs. Macs have the best schematics. I can't have best. I don't care about Macs. I'm not getting that many jobs anyway. And I got pissed off on the last MacBook. I fixed it like a few months ago, and I said, you know what? No, I don't need this in my life. No, and I'm staying away from fixing MacBooks. Then get strikes from YouTube AI. You see my point, Silvio. I believe my days are counted. Like many other people, days are counted. That's what I believe. So sooner or later, the AI it will be capable to decide if a video is dodgy or not. So yeah, is the beginning of the end. You stop fixing phones, kind of, yeah. If I'll take a phone, it will be for data recovery, but nothing else. Do you got a backup page? No. Get a Linux server and make your own video platform. Yeah, but we are on YouTube because of the exposure you have. Yeah, and the ad revenue. I'm still paying my rent from the YouTube money. Which, of course, the rent went up. Yeah, like everything here around. Rosman was talking about this subject many years ago. I'm following Rosman. I seen every video of his from long time, from when he was fixing MacBooks. Actually, he was one which inspired me to start my YouTube channel. Have you been trying to look for your tools from Temu, but they cannot ship on Kenya? Um, South Drift fix. You don't need same tools. Try to get what you can find around you. Tools is not that important, like it's you get used with whatever tools you try to use, you will get used to use that tool. I'm gonna have on the next demo video a soldering station like hot air, solder iron, cheap one. You can have that one. Where is coffee today? Coffee is here. Coffee is here. How much you must earn in UK? Depends if you have family or not. We're probably like 4K. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop now. It's been like 53 minutes. I always get depressed when I start the live stream. I'm happy and I get depressed. You guys are not very inspiring. Because I start remember all the problems I have or we have from around us, and yeah. Get on the radio. So what do you finally think of your new? I'm not using MiG. I'm not using the 8K. I'm using the old one. I have the 8K here. I put it for sale on YouTube, on eBay. Sorry, because I can sell it. If I'm using the 8K here, I cannot sell this one, my one. So yeah, I mean they're about the same. Mechanic is slightly better. The pressing coffee time, yeah. Everyone depressed? Really? Oh, I'm a bad streamer. It's my fault. It's my fault then. I'm really sorry for that. Take a nice holiday where you can interact with dolphins. No, you can't take holidays anymore because the HMRC they are monitoring the things. Yeah, so yeah, you can't have holidays. I'm still smiling. I bet, Mati. I bet. Darius, da. Mike, I don't know. I seen online like they are heading to another referendum for to get back to the EU. That will be the scapegoat. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. When propagation is good, did you ever hurt yourself? No. You mean like moon reflections? Gonna lose pound for that? Radoslav, I'm trying to stay away from news. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Stay away from news. It is depressing. No matter what news that they are. Smell Russian, everything become good. Yeah. Most of the EU is heading down to. I mean, the war, it will be, it will be bad for everyone. War equal a lot of money spent. Yeah. Someone has to pay the money for the war. Have you got a cat? Yeah, I do have a cat. The cat was sleeping around here, but not anymore. Let's have a nice family time. Yeah. Milan, that's a good advice. It's Sunday. Let's spend the time with the family today. How about the dog? Yeah, the dog is around here. The bunny is upstairs. Here are like 5 degrees. Now it's 7, but it was 5 in the morning. Proper cold. Proper cold. Yeah. Okay, guys. Enjoy the day. Quite a zoo you have there. I mean, it is a big house. A cat, a dog, and a bunny. It's not like a zoo. We have the bunny first. Then, of course, and everything is because of my daughter. So she pick up the bunny, then she pick up the cat, and then she pick up the dog. It's hard to say no to a child, each one like a pet. It's hard to say no. Okay, so have a beautiful Sunday. I'm gonna try to come with some nice content. Yeah, nothing dodgy from now on. If it's a faulty capacitor, we're gonna replace that capacitor. Okay, nothing dodgy for public. Maybe for members only. We can do dodgy videos. But I cannot risk to have my channel shut down because the AI is getting better, and at some point it will decide. Wait, this video is dodgy. Let's strike the channel. You got 3 strikes, your channel is gone. Okay? Good. So, thank you for being here. Thank you for having a coffee with me. And see you probably later. I'm gonna upload something later. Yeah, why not? Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna work something. Yeah. Have a beautiful Sunday. Bye.